Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, we're all teaching you how to say the phrase, wait a moment, 就是请等一下下。
呛等一下，
呛等一哈哈，可以这样子吗？
没有哈哈哈，你是在笑，呛等一下，
因为国语会可爱啊，请等一下下。
哎呦
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to be cute, but that means wait a moment. 呛等一下。Okay, you know, convenience stores here in Taiwan are so convenient. Okay, 真的便利商店非常方便。
对啊。
You can even pick up things that you bought over on the internet and pick it up at convenience stores now. So a lot of times when you go to these shops, you have to wait for something. So let's teach you phrases associated with this situation. 好，先从这个便利商店，就是 convenience store.
OK, 便利商店。
哦，便利就是便利了哈。便利商店 that means convenience store. All right. And then you're there to pick something up. Okay, 我们要去取货了哦，真的是非常方便。取货怎么说？
拿货。
拿货 Okay, that means picking up an item or whatever you ordered online. And then 因为现在真的很多人在那边都会取货了，所以便利商店要去仓库里面找了，对不对？ Sometimes the clerk needs to go find that item. So 找，
请
find, 请。
那海陆腔亲，
好要亲嘴了呢，好不好意思哦。
给他亲，他在找。
It sounds like a kiss, but it actually is a different dialect for fine. Team, let's make a sentence out of this. 我们就用找来做一个造句好了，好不好？
OK
就是请等一下，我帮你找找。
呛等一下，
呛等一下，
我老五请看啊。
我老五请看啊。Okay, that means wait a moment, let me look it up for you. 呛等一下，我老五请看啊。
不是空啊，不是空，
那是请
看啊，
看啊。
那空啊，
空空的哈。All right, let's do that again. 请等一下，我帮你找找。
呛等一下，我老五请看啊。
呛等一下，我老五请看啊。All right, let's review all these phrases. A convenience store, 便利商店。
便利商店。
便利商店 and then picking up something, an item, 取货。
拿货。
拿货 and finally find, 找。
请。
请 And there you go, it's another edition of how to use the phrase 请等一下 wait a moment.
呛等一下。
呛等一下 and that's today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
汉字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.